Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in Davinci. So simply click on to setting icon, then showing it to aspect ratio option, provide more option, just select any on, or if you want to custom, just select to custom. Okay, and press on create. Now successfully create. Or if you want to change, select to save. Okay, and you need to adjust this frame size, so don't worry, click on to I option and just select this on option and increase value. So use your keyboard arrow option, just select this option 000 and just increase value. To decrease value, to arrow down option to decrease value. Okay, and I'm just move left or right side, select this, okay, now adjust. So, or if you want to change again, click on, just press on to save. So that's it.